These two, they are grandchild, and this one, they are her children. He take one of them, the black one, and join with the other. I think the grandchild, they are hungry because they are very noisy. They cannot drink enough milk. That's why I separate the kitten. They have more chance to drink milk. Yes, the small one is look like exactly the mom. One of them is the bigger one in the front and the smaller one in the back. The black one is her kitten. Yes, yes. She is very careful about the grandchild. She don't think they are grandchild. She is like her kitten. Clean them and let them drink milk. The mom is very important in about 1 month first of the life of the kitten. Anything happen, they can be died because without mom, living for the kitten is almost impossible. Look at the black one. The black one don't let the other one drink milk. Okay, I take the black one. Come here. Now they have more chance for drink milk. It's very bad when the mom leave them. I am so angry of the mom. Hello.